Stop scrolling, because what I'm about to tell you can literally decide how rich or how irrelevant you will be in 2026. Right now, millions of people are quietly making money from technologies most people don't even understand. AI, robots, smart software, digital money, virtual worlds. They are already replacing jobs, businesses, and even governments. And here's the scary part. If you don't understand these 20 tech trends today, you may not have a job tomorrow. Welcome to Insight Loop, where we don't chase news, we decode the future. Let me ask you something. What if I tell you that in 2026, some people will earn $10,000 a month from AI tools, while others will lose their jobs to the same AI? What if I tell you that countries like the USA, Canada, UK, and Germany are already investing billions of dollars into technologies most people in India, Pakistan, and even many Americans don't even know exist? So the real question is, will you be one of the winners or one of the victims of the 2026 tech revolution? Let's break it down. 1. Artificial intelligence employees. In 2026, AI will not just be a tool. It will be your coworker. Companies in the US are already replacing customer support, marketing, data analysis, and even coding teams with AI. A small startup in California today uses just 5 humans plus 200 AI agents and makes over $3 million a year. AI employees work 24/7. They don't take salaries. They don't get tired. They don't complain. That's why big tech companies are investing billions into AI automation. Half 2. AI video and content factories. In 2026, one person with AI will run YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and blogs all at the same time. One US creator already uses AI to generate scripts, voice, video thumbnails. He runs 30 YouTube channels alone, earning over $80,000 per month. Content creators are becoming tech operators. 3. Digital humans. AI avatars will replace news anchors, sales agents, influencers, and customer service. A virtual influencer in the US made $11 million in 2025 without being a real person. 4. Smart robots at home. Robots will clean houses, cook food, take care of elderly people, and even teach kids. Elon Musk's robot is expected to cost under $20,000. That means millions of families will own robots. AI doctors. AI will detect cancer, heart disease, and mental health problems faster than humans. U.S. hospitals using AI have reduced costs by 40% and saved thousands of lives. Health tech will be a trillion-dollar industry. 6. Personal AI assistants. Everyone will have an AI that plans their day, handles emails, runs businesses, and even trades stocks. People with AI assistants will be 10x more productive. 7. Cashless digital money. Paper money is disappearing. Digital dollars, crypto, stablecoins, and digital wallets are taking over. In the US, over 80% of payments are already digital. 8. Remote work 2.0. People in India, Pakistan, and the Philippines will work for US companies using AI tools. One AI-powered freelancer can earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month. 9. AI marketing machines. AI will run ads, emails, funnels, and social media. Businesses using AI marketing are already getting 3x more sales. 10. Smart cities. AI will control traffic, electricity, police, and security systems. The UAE, Singapore, and the US are leading this race. 11. Virtual reality workplaces. People will work in virtual offices using VR headsets. Meetings, training, and teamwork will happen in 3D worlds. 12. Metaverse shopping. You will buy clothes, homes, and cars inside digital worlds. Brands already make millions from virtual products. 13. AI stock traders. AI bots already beat human traders. In 2026, normal people will use AI to trade automatically. 14. Cybersecurity boom. More tech equals more hacking. Cybersecurity experts will earn $200,000 plus per year. 15. AI education. Students will learn from AI teachers. Personalized education will replace traditional schools. 16. Voice search economy. People will talk to devices instead of typing. Voice-based businesses will explode. 17. Smart wearables. Glasses, watches, and clothes will track health and performance. 18. Green tech, solar, electric vehicles, and smart energy grids will dominate. 19. AI law and AI finance. AI will handle legal cases and manage accounting. 20. One-person AI companies. One human plus AI equals billion-dollar business. This is the future. If you understood even 50% of this, you are already ahead of 90% of the world. The future doesn't care about your degree, your country, or your background. It only cares if you understand technology. So if you want to stay ahead, if you want to make money in the AI age, if you don't want to be replaced by machines, subscribe to Insight Loop, like this video, share it with one person who needs to wake up. Because on Insight Loop, we don't just talk about the future, we prepare you for it.